How to start NFT auction on OpenSea. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create an NFT auction on OpenSea. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will go to OpenSea.io and you will land on this platform right here. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace that allows you to buy, sell, and create NFTs. When it comes to selling NFTs on OpenSea, we can also create an auction where people bid and we can sell our NFT for higher prices and more than expected prices. So this is actually a very good way to sell your NFTs, and OpenSea has very easy method to create and start an auction. So let's get into it. Once you are on OpenSea.io, and if you have a collection of different NFTs or if you want to create a brand new NFT, it depends on you. So first of all, you will have to connect a wallet. Go to the wallet section right here and it will allow you to connect any type of wallet you want. You can connect a MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Phantom, and Glow. So Solana NFTs are also available on OpenSea now, and you can connect a Solana wallet too. Today I will be connecting my MetaMask. So just select the wallet. Then you will click on Connect and your MetaMask will be connected to your OpenSea. So you can see my wallet has been connected, and now I will be able to list NFTs on OpenSea and I will be able to start an auction. If you do not have a MetaMask, you can simply go to metamask.io and get a crypto wallet which works on Ethereum. So we have connected our wallet now, and I'll show you how to create an NFT and start an auction. Click on create option and it will take you right here. I will create a new NFT so that I can show you from the start. Click on this option and it will allow you to upload your NFT from your computer. So this is the NFT that I will be listing today. You can upload any kind of NFT, JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, and the maximum size can be 100 MB. Then you have to enter the name and an external link. Now this is the link for your page that you have for your NFT. If you do not have a page, then you can just leave this option. Then we have description. For now, I'm just going to write the word again, like the title. And we have a collection. You can select the collection that you already have on OpenSea. So if you do not have a collection, then you can create one by just going to your profile and going to My Collections. But it's okay if you do not have a collection. Once you list your NFT, a new collection will be created automatically. Then we have properties, levels, and stats. These help us with the rarity of any NFT, and I can create as many properties as I like. For now, I'm not going to create properties, levels, and stats. So then we have unlockable content. Now this is where I can add any content I want, my email address, or if I want to sell this NFT physically, I can add an address. And this information is only revealed by the owner of the item. Then we have explicit and sensitive content check. You can select this option if you feel like your NFT is sensitive. Then we have the number of supplies. So I'm going to go with 1 and there is no gas fee for me. In blockchain, I'm going to select Ethereum. We have Solana, Python, and Polygon as well. So if you have Polygon on your MetaMask, you will be able to select a high-speed gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. For now, let's just go with a simple Ethereum because a lot of people list their NFTs on Ethereum. Then we have freeze metadata. So we have all of these different options available. And once they're done, your NFT is created. Just click on create. So here we have our NFT that I just created. You can see this is our blockchain, this is the name, and you can see a collection has been created. Now I can sell my NFT. To sell your NFT, click on this sell option right here. We have edit option as well. If you want to edit your NFT, any information, you can just click on edit and it will take you back to the window where we were working. We also have the transfer and share option, but we're going to sell our NFT and start an auction. Click on sell, and here we have our list item for sale. Now you can see we have a fixed price and timed auction. And then you're going to select timed auction because we want to start an auction on OpenSea. Select this option and then we have method. So what kind of method you are going for? Sell to the highest bidder or sell with declining price? So I want to sell my NFT to the highest bidder. Then we have to enter a starting amount from where we will be starting. So we can enter maybe like 0.02 Ethereum. And this is going to be the starting price. or maybe 0.05. And at the time of making this video, 0.05 is $93. So I am starting from this, and now people will be able to list and bid for higher than 0.05. We have to select the duration for our auction, if it's going to be 7 days, 1 day, 3 days, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. I think 7 days auction is pretty good. And these are the dates. You can select any date, and these are my dates right here, 7 days. We have more options. In more option, I will be able to see the include reserve price. So if you want to add any price that is reserved, you can just select this option. For now, I'm not going to do that. And then we have fee. The service fee for OpenSea is 2.5%. Once you're done with all of the information, you're going to click on complete listing. Once you click on complete listing, it will take you to your wallet right here. And now I will just simply check out with my MetaMask, and my NFT will be listed on OpenSea as a timed auction NFT. So this is how you can also create NFT on OpenSea and then list it as an auctioned NFT. My auction will be for 7 days, and I have added the starting price. It's really easy to do. Just connect your wallet, create your NFT, and select the option of auction, and you will be able to start an auction on OpenSea. A lot of NFTs are listed this way, and the auctions actually help the creator to sell their NFTs for high prices, and this way you will be able to sell your NFTs as well. You will be able to sell NFTs and make money. So let me show you some of the examples of NFTs that are on auction. So you can just go to the explore option and go to all NFTs, or you can select any of the different categories. So I have opened up all NFTs right here, and I can filter my search by on auction. Okay, so we're gonna select this option, and now I will be able to see all the NFTs that are on auction right now. And you can see right here there are more than 7,000 NFTs. If I open it up, I will be able to show you how any NFT looks when it's on auction. So let's open this one up. Alright, so you can see this one is a Monster Ape by Monster Ape Club, and this is on auction right now. So you can see it says sale ends on, this is the date and this is the time for the auction, and you can see the minimum bid right here. This is the minimum bid amount, and if I scroll down, I will be able to see the highest bid right here. You can see it's 0.04. So they started from 0.21, and everybody kind of like added a bid right here. Like you can see this person added 0.022, then this person added 0.34, this person added 0.03, and now we have the highest bid, which is 0.04. And you can actually buy this NFT. This person will probably get it, and you can see this is the highest bid, and they will sell this NFT to this person. And this is how the auction works on OpenSea. It's really good, and it allows you to actually sell your NFT for more price than expected, and you will be able to sell it very easily within 7 days, 3 days, or more. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.